Dialogue number 14. At the clothing store.
Can I help you?
I need a black shirt.
What size?
Medium.
Can I help you? I need a black shirt. What size? Medium.
Dialogue number 15. In the bookshop.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for English books.
They are in section B.
Can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for English books. They are in section B.
Dialogue number 16. In the market.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, where are the apples?
They are in aisle 2.
Thank you.
Hello, can I help you? Yes, where are the apples? They are in aisle 2. Thank you.
Dialogue number 17. Family.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
That's nice.
Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one sister. That's nice.
Dialogue number 18. A morning chat.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice weather today.
Yes, perfect for a walk.
Good morning. Good morning. Nice weather today. Yes, perfect for a walk.
Dialogue number 19. Homework.
Do you have your homework?
Yes, here it is.
Good job.
Do you have your homework? Yes, here it is. Good job.